somebody said, hey, you go online and check out this one site. I think it's a quickie.quoter.com. So I went, man, and I have to admit, it's very good. I mean, they saved me 12% just by switching. You know, it's easy to locate based on my location. And I didn't even need to search the web, you know, to find different insurance companies. Quickie Quoter brought them to me. So I'm just like, plus, check it out. I saved time, and the best of all, it was kind of fun. Matter of fact, it felt like I had a quickie. I felt so good I wanted a beatbox, so quickie.quoter.com. Quickie.com. You should check them out, man, because even you can have a quickie. Peace.